Hello.
Hi guys, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you all today. You're going to wait one exact minute. Thanks, Lakshanya. You're going to wait one exact minute, okay? I prepared a test, but that didn't come out correctly for you guys on time, so I'm going to postpone that to next week.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma, I'm here.
I forgot how to do the prime factorization.
Oh, you forgot?
Yeah.
No problem. I can show you. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll send it to you. 1 second. Okay, I think let me give this link to them and come. Give me a minute, okay?
Hello.
There is one girl that's waiting. Let's see. Hold on. Give me a minute.
It's downstairs. Let me go get it on.
Okay, good. Akshara, I can't see you. Arav, how are you? Good to see you
Miss
today.
Priya,
Yama,
do you see like a black blurry thing popping up on the edge of my screen?
black blurry thing. No.
On like a part of my screen?
Yes, I do, but that's okay. I'm able to see you. Don't worry about all
Okay.
all of that. Can we go ahead?
Yes.
Yeah, don't worry about it, okay? It's not a
Okay.
showstopper. So let's go ahead.
Because like sometimes like no matter what I do, that thing pops up. Like even if I'm doing something on my laptop, like playing a game or
Oh,
anything.
just please don't worry about it. Hi, Lakshanya. I saw your message. Okay, can we go ahead, guys? Today I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to just go ahead with the book. Okay. Book, no mental math, nothing. Okay. Can we go ahead? Did you guys do the homework? Did you have any questions?
No.
Yeah.
Yes, some
Yes. I have a question.
Yuvati has, Samhit has. What is the question?
So the question for the homework is like for the GIMP kit, did you assign the GIMP kit with the game or was it just questions? Because when I did it, I just answered the questions, but the same questions kept repeating, even though I got them correct.
Yeah, same thing happened for me.
Yeah, me too. Same.
Okay, 1 minute, guys. I did see the reports of what you all did in GimKit, how many went wrong, all this stuff I did check. Yuvati's dad had sent a message, but I did not get Yuvati. Did you change your name and attempt the quiz?
For the GIMP kit, I didn't get to finish it because like there were like
No.
too much
Did you
questions. Like
wait?
it said
Did
there
you
will be.
attempt Yuvati? Did you attempt with a different name?
What name did you use?
Some minions or something?
No, I didn't do minions for sure.
Did you use?
I did that. Neil did
You did
minions.
that, guys. You have to have your original names. How will I know who's minion? Okay, so you have to attempt with your original names. Okay, for Yuvati, I have to check and tell. I did not see yours at all. That's why I did not send. I did re-verify as well after your dad's message. Yes, ma, go ahead.
Did you get anything like UV or anything else? Cause like for my nicknames, I used to put out like UV or
Okay,
give
now
it.
I'm not going to deal with it. I'll deal with it after class. I will coordinate with your dad. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go ahead. Other than the GIMKit, what other questions you have on the homework? Let's go ahead with that. Do you want me to share my screen and show you the homework so that you can tell me, do you want me to do that?
I don't have a question. I'm just saying, my mom didn't post my homework, but I did it.
You did it. Good job. Samhit, thanks for letting me know. Prime composites, prime factorization. Okay, looks like, okay, I already marked it. On top of it, some of you have handed it. Oh my God. Some of you have resubmitted it. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Did well in the intermediate, but okay, advanced level she couldn't do. Okay, doesn't matter. Akshara, were you able to complete the homework? Akshara, were you able to complete the homework, ma? Okay, guys. Arav, I'm here to help you with your. I'm sorry, Arnav, I'm here to help you with your homework. Arav, you're going to wait for a while till we complete the problems with the homework. Is that okay?
My name is actually Vihan, but I'm using my brother's computer.
Oh, please, then I need to rename. Yes, your mom said your name is Vihan, okay? Hold on.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, I'm going to, is it okay if I
For some
change the
reason, my
name?
mom is not here, and my video is not ready.
Yeah, no problem at all. Neil, I can hear your little brother shouting, so it's okay. As and when your mom has time, she can fix it. You're okay, but you have to concentrate in the class. You have to be focused. When I call you out, you have to answer. Is it okay, Neil?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, don't worry about your video, okay? Let's move on. Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yeah.
Are you able to see the homework?
Yeah.
Oh, of
Okay,
course.
good. What is your question, Ara?
Yes.
Now, what is your question?
So, I forgot how to do the prime factorization.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Yuvati, can you help me with the prime factorization? How to do the prime factorization of 32?
For the prime factorization, you
Hmm.
first like split. I usually just split the number in half, 32 in half. Or I could just split it into 16 times 2 or 8 times 4.
Mm-hmm.
And we could split the 2 would be already a prime, so that would be part of the answer. Then we
Very
have
nice, Yuvati. Can I
P.
ask you to stop and I'll quickly switch to Lakshanya. Lakshanya, how to proceed with this?
16 can be split into 4 and 4.
4 and 4. Good. Then?
Then you can split the 4s into 2 and 2.
Okay, I'll stop you. Ritu, do you want to proceed?
With what question?
Prime factorization we are doing. See the question on the board.
We can 2 and 2. 2 is already a prime number,
Mm-hmm.
so it can't go below 2.
So what is the prime factorization of 32?
2 squared.
2 squared.
2 squared times 2 squared.
Okay. 2 squared times 2 squared.
And
Do you need help?
yeah.
Okay, Samhit, go ahead.
2
Hmm.
squared times 2 squared times 2.
Okay, better. I don't want like this split with the same base. So how do you write it down?
2 times 16. Oh,
2 times. Okay, Samhit.
2 to the power 5.
It should all be prime numbers, right? You can't say 2 times 16 because 16 is composite, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you
Yes.
need to remember that. Okay. And I had a question for Vihan, who's new. Vihan, my question is, have you learnt about primes and composite numbers, Vihan?
No, not yet.
Not yet. But do you know what are prime and composite numbers? It's absolutely okay to say no, yes in this class.
No, I haven't.
No. Okay, no problem at all. I just want to know, doesn't matter. I'm not going to teach you go over that now because that was last week. Okay. Now,
Miss Priya.
yeah.
My mom over the weekend she taught me like how to do prime factorization and factors.
Oh, you were not there, right, Amma? Last week?
I was there last week.
Then what is the problem? Oh, the
No,
previous week you weren't there.
Last week I didn't know prime factorization or factors, so my mom helped me about that.
Had to teach you. When did you take the homework and do?
I did the homework, I just forgot to submit it.
See, it's okay. When there are new concepts being taught, right, I really want you to take the homework and get it done the very next day. Otherwise, you're going to forget completely what we did.
Okay.
Okay, I have to talk to your mom definitely. Okay, but I'm glad that she helped you with it. Okay. Now, is 47 prime or composite, guys? Is 47 prime or composite? Yes, Yuvati, tell me.
47 would be prime.
47 is prime. Good job. Meera, did you have any questions? Meera, did you have any questions? Neil, remember you had sent a mental math sheet to me, right? I will edit and give that to the class next week. Okay, I'll make my edits and provide that to the class next week. Make sense? Whoever wants, they can write out questions and send it to me. I will edit and put out your questions for the class. Make sense? Does that make sense? Writing
Yeah.
is an art. Writing math questions is an art. Slowly you can develop that. Okay. Now let me move on. So advanced was difficult, right? Why don't we leave advanced for now?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
in the advanced, some of them were like good, but some of them I couldn't really understand. So like when I did it, I skipped a few of the problems and I did like the ones I understood.
Okay, let's do only one type. Okay, let me see whether you understand that. I don't want you to do all of those. Okay, but you can definitely do prime factorization of 420, 540. All these questions can definitely be answered even if it is in uh, am I sharing my screen, guys?
No.
No.
Are you all able to see my screen?
All I just see is like a very thin table line thingy saying Classroom Google, and then it has your tabs.
Yeah.
And now, yeah, but I don't see anything now.
Do you see it now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good, good. You should come up and say what you see, right? Otherwise, how will I know? Okay, go ahead. So things like this, if you have solved it, is enough, ma Yuvati.
Mhm.
Okay, now I have a question. Okay, maybe we will work on this question. Okay. I really want you to try out. There was one that I would like you to try. How about give me a minute. This is the only one we'll do. Okay. Other than that, we don't need to do anything, is my thought. Okay. Okay. So, how would this? A class has 72 boys and 90 girls. They are to be divided into identical groups. Identical groups means each group can have 4 boys, 5 girls. 4 boys, 5 girls. Like that, I'm going to make them into groups. 4 boys, 5 girls. 4 boys, 5 girls. I can into identical groups of equal numbers of boys and girls. That means what? Each group is going to contain the same number of people. Okay. But the thing is, I have to make sure
Miss
each
Priya,
group.
your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. For the others, am I audible?
Yeah.
You are.
Okay. So each group is going to contain the same number of boys and girls. Okay. Boys and girls. Okay. The number of boys and the number of boys or the number of girls is the same in each group. Suppose if I choose 5 girls in one group, I have to choose 5 girls in every other group. If I are Vihan, you may not be onto this for now, but please wait. Okay. Okay, now let's move on. So 72 boys and 90 girls. So what do you do? There are 72 boys, 90 girls. So I have to make sure all the boys and girls are grouped. You get it? I have to make sure all the boys and girls are grouped. So how am I to do this? What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
Miss Priya.
Go ahead. Go ahead. So now,
There
what
is
I
some
do,
problem here, Priya. So we didn't hear you well. So that's why I think it is some issue on our side, though.
Oh, okay. No
Yeah.
worries. No worries. Yeah, yeah. So what can I do, you think? There are 72 boys, 90 girls. What do you think I can do? So here I have to empty all the 72 boys. I will have to put them into groups. All the 90 girls I have to put them into groups. You know what? Yes, Lakshmi. What is your thought?
Actually, I already put my answer in the chat.
You already put your answer in the chat. Okay. 245. I'm going to find the prime factorization of this. Okay. Let's see what happens. I'm going to put out the prime factorization of both the numbers. See what happens. What is common between that 72? There is a 2 common. I choose that. And then what else is common? There are 2 3s common. Nothing else is common.
No,
So
there is. There's something else common.
yeah, what is that? What else is common? That's all.
They're both numbers.
Yeah, but what are the common factors?
3 and 2. I mean,
There are 2 3s
yeah.
that are common and 1 2 that is common. So 18 is the greatest common factor. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So literally 18 goes evenly into this and this. Do you see? I'm trying to find the factor that is the greatest common factor of 72 and 90. So that tells me it is 18, meaning I can group this 72 boys into 18 different groups. Similarly, I can group this 90 girls into the same 18 different groups. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that way I get all of my 72 boys and 90 girls into my 18 groups. And then if I divide 72 by 18, what will I get? Do you know? If I divide 72 by 18, what is the answer? Simplify, guys, you'll get it. If I do 72, see, for that matter, you can as well split. Okay, I don't want to go into the complexity of this.
What?
72.
4.
72 divided by 18 is what?
4.
Good job. 4. Good job. So I will have 4 boys in each of my groups. 4 boys, 4 boys, 4 boys, 4 boys, 4 boys, 4 boys, 4 boys. Like that, I'll have 17 groups. And then 90 divided by 18. What is 90 divided by 18? The units digit can help you. I've told you so many times. 8 times
5.
what ends up with a 0?
Is it 5?
Ah, good job. 5. Nice, Vihan. So 5. So there will be in that 18 groups, I'll also add 5 girls, 5 girls, 5 girls, 5 girls, 5 girls, 5 girls, 5 girls. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is how I make them into groups in such a way each group has the same number of boys and girls together. You see? And what is the largest number of groups? This gives you the clue that you have to find the greatest common factor. Does that make sense? That's a little tricky. Okay. For now, we'll be done with this. Okay. Let's move on. Now, what did we do last? In the sense, from the book, when you look at it, what have we done? So we have done, see, the way I want to do it is from 34 to 39, I've not covered, I know, guys. Okay. So I'm going to move on to 54.
Come here.
Yeah, I really want to go over proper multiplication with you guys. Remember, you all did the standard algorithm last week on the board, correct, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, you all did and showed me the standard algorithm. I was pretty happy with the way you guys did. So what I'm going to do? Yes, ma?
Kind of got the hang of it.
Hang of what?
Standard algorithm.
Algorithm. That is nice. Did you practice at home extra?
Yeah, I practiced at home.
Oh, that is so nice. That is really good. Okay. Good, Ritu. On and off getting your input like that really helps me too.
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yes, ma.
can you see me?
I can very well see you, Akshara.
I don't see myself anywhere.
Don't worry about it. I can see you. Okay. Can we move on? Okay. Now, I have a question for V. Yes, Yuvati. What is your question?
I kind of noticed something about like some of like dividing stuff. Like for example, like 28 is divisible by 7, and a multiple of 7 is 14, and 28 is like divisible by 14 too.
Come again, Yuvati.
So like I kind of just noticed something about a few numbers. Like for example, like for 28, it's divisible by 7
Mm.
and 4. So but when you also do when you divide 28 by 14, it's 14 and 2, which is basically 7 times 2, but 4 divided by 2.
Good job. Very good observation. I really like it. So prime factorization is really helping, right? To view all that. True. So when you prime factorize 28, you will really know. So that is 7 times 4. But if you divide it, if you divide this by 14, you get whatever is left over. That's true. You see? Very good observation, Yuvati. Let's move on. Now let's see. So prime factorization really opens the door for so many other things as well. Now if I give you 78 times 56, are you all good with box multiplication?
Yeah.
Okay, Vihan, a question to you. Do you know how in standard algorithm you'll multiply these two?
I can do it like top to bottom.
Top to bottom means like this. Do you know how to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, box multiplication. Neil, do you remember how to, oh, Neil went off. Huh? Oh my God. Okay. Abhi, do you know how to do box multiplication? Abhi, you have to
learning how to
unmute.
do it in school.
You're learning. Okay, good. Now I split 78 as 70 and 8. Okay. I split 56 as 50 and 6. Okay. Before I go and show you how to do this box multiplication, one thing you guys really know, but I really I will pick out, you have to tell me what it is. 5 times 10 is what, Ritu? 5 times 10, you'll only multiply these two. What is 5 times 10, Ritu?
5 times 10 equals 50.
50. Now 5 times 100 is what, Ritu?
500.
Okay, now 5 times 1000 is what, Ritu? This we have already done. Go ahead.
5,000.
5000. Now, how to do this one? 4 times 10 is what, Ritu?
40.
40. 4 times 20 is what, Ritu? You are going to
80.
multiply only the numbers.
80.
80. Good job. 4 times 2000 is what, Ritu?
8,000.
Good job, guys. Now, Akshara, can you tell me what is 70 times 50? Vihan, I won't disturb you much. You're more of watching, right?
Yeah.
Did you understand how we did this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Nice. What is 50 times 70? Akshara, go ahead and multiply this. What is 7 times? I'll help you. What is 7 times 5?
35.
35. And then what you should do with the zeros?
Add, put the.
Yep. Now, Akshara, you tell me what is 70 times 6? No writing down, Akshara. No writing down on that. What is 70 times 6? You can just multiply 6 and 7.
6.
6 with a 7.
That's
What is 6 times 7?
2.
Hmm?
42.
42 and then add the 0. Now, Arnav, I really want you to tell me. What is 50 times 8, Arnav?
400.
Good job, Arnav. And what is 6 times 8?
Me?
Yes.
48.
48. And now, you know, what did we do basically? We split 70 into 78 and then we split 56 into 50 and 6. And then instead of doing a complex multiplication with 78 and 56, we multiplied 70 with 50, 70 with 6. And then we multiplied 8 with 50, 8 with 6 and add all of them together. Whatever you get in these boxes are partial products, meaning intermediate products that you get. Partial products, meaning they are multiplied values, right? Two numbers multiplied to get them. So product. Partial means in between. Okay, in between
We're
you're
learning
getting
the
these
same
values.
thing at school except with addition.
With addition. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. When you add these together, who can add it quickly? Come on, guys. Samit, go ahead. 3,500 plus 400 is what?
3,900.
3,900. Good job. 420 plus 48. Samhit.
400.
Only the tens digit is going to change.
468.
Good job. 468. Now, how do you add 3,900 with 468? Tell me.
Can I just tell the answer?
Yes, please.
4,368.
Good job. How easy, guys? How about this?
It
We are
actually
going to do-
takes very quick time if you do it fast enough.
That's true. It will take very less time. I also agree with you. So we have done till page number 50. 3. Okay. So now let's go ahead and try this one. I know. Okay. Let's see accuracy now. Okay. 64 times 19. All of you do and send standard algorithm. I have to see on the paper. In the video, you have to show. Please unblur, share whatever you did in your notebook.
Standard
Send the answer
algorithm.
only. Send the answer in chat. And Vihan, the way the class works is there is a chat window. You can chat with me. Do you see the chat window?
Yeah.
Are you able to chat with me? Did you check?
It says, wait.
That's what. So open the chat window. Go to the top left corner. You will have left corner or right corner. You will see a new chat button. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can you chat with me? You can only chat with me, not with everyone.
Yeah. I
Good.
can.
Good. Go ahead, do the problem on a sheet of paper. I really want to see how accurate each of you are. Neil, is everything okay with you? Lakshmi, you have to put it down, ma. You have to show me down. Yeah. Bring it in front of me. I'm not able to see properly. Oh yeah, thank you. That is good. Yes, very nice job. Can you send the answer alone to me? That is good, Amma. You didn't forget the 0. Good job. Send the answer to me, Lakshmi.
Am I correct?
Am I correct?
Miss
Wow.
Priya,
Each of you have different answers, guys.
Miss Priya, I already did it.
6. Okay, there are so many issues. Meera, can you check? Arno, that's correct. Akshara, Checkama, Samhit, correct. Guys, more focus. Yuvati, not Gimkit today. You know what? I don't want to do Gimkit today, okay? This is 1 full hour of proper focus, okay? Let's go.
Okay.
I would like to, I'll try to assign it as homework, as a blue kit, okay, this week. I'll do blue kit this week. But
Can
you know
you
what? I'm going to administer a test. So that is going to come. So let's attempt a
Miss
test.
Priya, am I right?
Yes, perfect. Good job, Ritu.
My
Ritu, how are you finding school math, Ritu?
It's pretty easy because you taught me like some of the stuff, so I already know.
No, but are you doing good in school?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good to know. Okay. Cricket and baseball are fun. True. Yes, Arnav, I agree. They are great sports. Good job, Neil.
Miss Priya is
Neil, remind your mom to register for that October thing. I told her you have to just remind her. Vihan, good job, Vihan.
Miss Priya is not correct.
Meera, correct. Meera, where was the mistake, Meera? Where did you miss? 12 became 8.
Miss Priya is not correct.
Akshara, why did I know? No, ma. Akshara. 9 4s are 36, 3, 6 9s are 54 plus 3, 57. The only main thing is I don't want you to miss this 0. And then, because you know why you put that 0? First you multiplied by a 9. Then you have to multiply with a 10. Instead of multiplying with a 10, you're putting the 0 here and then multiplying with a 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
Nevan, did you see there was a mistake in this digit in your answer?
Yeah.
Did you see? Akshara, did you correct yours, ma?
Yeah.
Good, I saw. You edited it. Good job. Now, guys, okay, you're all good with this. Now, I'm going to make it a little hard. Okay, you guys know traditional way. Okay, that is a traditional way. Or you can as well call what you do at school a standard algorithm. Okay, now splitting and doing, right? Splitting it into 56, 78, and then doing the box multiplication and adding them together is called box multiplication. Or you can even call it area model. Let me tell you why. Or area models. Why do you call it as area models? Let me show you. 46 times. Yes, Lakshanya, you want to explain?
At our school, we call it partial products.
Yeah, partial product, but why is it called area model? Why is it called area models?
I'm not really sure.
Okay, good. You have an answer?
I don't have an answer, but I still kind of I did it box method before, but and then I forgot and I don't understand
Okay, that's fine.
it
Now,
again.
Arnav, do you know why it is called area model?
No.
Okay, now see here, guys. I'm thinking this is of 20 length, this is of 40 length for this rectangle. So how do you find the area of that rectangle?
Miss Priya, I know what.
Neil, go ahead and explain.
It's called the area model because it's splitting the number into place value into boxes, and then you multiply the numbers kind of like area.
Exactly. So 40 times 2 gives the area of this shaded rectangle, which is 800. And then 20 times 6, we consider this as 20, this side as 6. So if you multiply both, you get the area, right? That's 120. So we consider, meaning each of this, when we split it, right, we are finding the areas of each rectangle. That's what we are thinking. The area of this rectangle would be 40 times this side, 3. Now 120, right? Similarly, 6 times 3 is this 18. So that is why it looks like we are finding area for each of those rectangles and adding them together. So it's called area model. Yes, Abhi, what is your question? What is your question, Abhi?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, please go ahead. Okay, now I have a question. Can I ask my question? You're really going to think, okay? Don't shout out your answers. Think well. This square is called A, this square is called B, okay? I'm multiplying this, okay? I give you the digits 5, 6. These are not numbers. I give you the digits 5 and 6. What is this number AB? I have to place 5 or 6 anywhere, meaning position, you have to place it, okay? You can place 5 instead of A or you can place 6 instead of A, okay? So now my product, this is my product. My product has to be the largest, has to be the maximum, okay? If I want my product to be a very big value, can you tell me what will be the value of AB? What will be the value of AB? You're going to answer in chat for me. You just need to think a little bit because the digits can go anywhere, but I want the maximum product. Think and tell me, guys.
What does product mean again?
What does product means?
Wait,
Now, if
what
you
is
have
AB
4 and
again?
2, when you multiply them together, you get 8. 8 is the product of 4 and 2. 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. So the multiplied answer is called product.
And then what's B?
Hmm?
Wait, what's B again?
I'm asking you, place the digits 5 and 6.
Oh,
Replace AB. Now I just need to know what is the value of AB and what is your product. I want what is A, what is B, and your product. You're going to send 3 answers in chat to me. Neil, I've received 1 answer. I think that's correct though. Good job, Neil. Really, Yuvati, how did you get that? That doesn't seem right to me.
That's the maximum product.
How did you make that product? Can you explain?
So how I did it was I did like the maximum 2-digit number, which is 99, and I did
No, you did not
multiply
listen to instructions, Yuvati. I'm so sorry. I asked you to place the digits 5, 6. I said you have to go, but good thought. I feel you did a great job thinking about the biggest product. But you did not listen to instructions that you need to use the digits 5, 6. You see what I mean? Yuvati, did I make sense? Did I make sense, Yuvati? Arnav, is that the biggest product?
So 56 times 8 is...
Okay, let's try Arnav's answer. Neil, I think you got it right. Now let's see. If I use 5, 6, if I replace A with 5, B with 6. Vihan, how did you solve? What was your thought process?
I did 5 in A and 6 in B.
Okay,
And
let's try that. And then what?
then I multiplied 8 and 6 and I got 48. And then I multiplied 8 with 5 plus 4, so I got 44. And
But
then
I asked that the product has to be maximum. Is that the maximum product? I can also do this, right? Did you try that out? When will the product... Okay, before that, guys, think about it. Okay, in any number, right, constituting digits, right, this number, if it is the highest, then the number will be bigger, correct? Suppose if it's a 3-digit number, this digit has to be a big number for it to be a bigger number, correct? So the leftmost digit has a higher power than any other digit, right? So that being the case, if I want the product to be maximum, automatically I have only 1 digit here, but there are 2 digits here. So which digit will be the highest? Yes, Samhit. Yes, Samhit, tell me.
6.
The 6 has to go here. Then only my product is going to be highest. Now let's try this one. 65 times 8, 40. 6 8s are 48, 52. See, this is only 448. This is 520. So basically, my A is 6, B is 5, product is 520. Vihan, did you get that? Arnav, did you get that?
Yeah.
Vihan, how about you? Did you get that?
yeah.
Oh, great. Okay, now let's try more. Okay. Now, how about this? Okay, this one. Okay, I want to make it a little complicated. Okay. My product should be very large. You can use the digits 1, 5, 9. My product has to be the highest. I have numbers like this placed. Okay, now what is A, what is B, what is C, what is the product? There are 4 answers you're going to give. Can you give me this answer? Let's see, guys. The problem was I actually started writing a test for you guys, okay? But I had huge issues with the diagrams. That's why I could not put it out in the Google Classroom. So I'm going to create that. I'm going to sit and rework on that, and I'll administer the test.
Am I correct?
Are you correct?
There's actually more than 3 answers.
Ritu, good job, ma. Did you understand? What is the product, Ritu? Samhit, not really. I told you that you have to think.
But the product, are you asking like the maximum product or like all of the products?
I want the product to be the biggest number possible.
Oh, then Afra, just don't read the answers that I did.
Akshara, do you think it will produce the biggest number possible? Meera has her hand up. Go ahead.
I didn't really get it.
You didn't really get it. Good think. Good.
Priya, can I
good.
explain?
Yeah, go ahead, Ritu.
Okay, so what you have to do is for A and B, you have to choose the 2 biggest numbers. So it could be 9 and 5. Wait, no, 9 and 1.
What happens if it is 9 and 5? Tell me.
If it's 9 and 5, then the 195 times 1 equals 95. So it won't change. So you have to do 9 and 1. And then what you have left is 5. So A is 9, B is 5, and C is 1. And then you have to multiply those two numbers to get your answer. And my answer was 455.
See? So 95 times 1 is going to end up with a 95. Abhi, that may not be your answer, you know. That's not the highest product. Vihan, what do you think?
Wait, I'm putting the product in the chat right now. I was just writing the product.
No problem. Do you want to shout out what number do you think will come here?
Oh yeah. So in A I put 9. In B I put 1, and in C I put 5.
Good job. So the biggest number, leftmost digit, you chose the highest number, highest digit what is given. Good job. Then it's okay to take a hit. You don't have to have a 5 here. If you have a 5, the multiplying number is only a 1. It's not going to make it big.
Wait, actually, if that's not I know there's a different bigger one.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's 51 times 9.
Good
Yeah.
job. Very nice thinking. So the multiplier you made it bigger, and this one you took a hit on it by putting the intermediate number. Let's see. Let's see which is bigger. 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45. Here you have 5, 9
How many
5s.
emojis? Just
So
saying.
which is bigger? Which is bigger? Good job, Arnav. So Vihan, which is bigger now?
The 51 times 9.
Yeah, numbers are messy, right? See, so you took a he took a hit here, 51, but then the multiplier he made it bigger. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was 51 times 9. So Ritu, did you go back to your answer and edit it? So the final answer was 51 times 9. So A was 5, B was 1, C was 9, product was 459, Ritu. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, it's funny. That's okay, Abhiram. Doesn't matter if you don't get the right answer. That's not the intent here. Okay, guys, let me ask you this. I give you 80, 81, 82. It's again, we are going back to box multiplication. Okay. So I want you to think and play with numbers. That is the intent. Okay. Now, guys, I am giving you that this is 1600. How can you fill this in easily? You don't need to sit and compute. Please don't sit and compute 90 times 80. Don't do that. Don't do that. What is the other way of doing it quickly? You can as well multiply 90 times 8, 19 times 80, but that's not what I want. From this, you can arrive at this. What is the answer to this? 20 times 80 is 1600. 80 times 21 is what? What should you do to this number to get this? Yes, Samhit.
You should add 80.
Exactly. So this one was 80 times 20. This is, right? What are they doing? 81, I'm sorry. This is 80 times 21. Meaning, what are they doing? I added 80 20 times here. I want to add 80 21 times. So to this answer, if I add another 80, that's my answer. So what should this answer be, Neil? 1 up. Only 19 times 80 I want. What should that be? Neil, you have to unmute and talk. Otherwise, we can't hear you.
So it is it is supposed to be 1580 because
Wait, is it 1580? Is that correct? You go down 80. So is that 1580? It's 20 less.
oh, never mind, 1520.
You need to be careful. Who can talk to me about this? I have 1520. So that is 80 times 19. What is 19 times 81? How much should you add to get this? Meera, you can tell me. And Nevan, you've been keeping so quiet. Meera, what is the answer here? What should you add to get this? See, 80 times you added 19, you got 1520. If you add 81 times 19, 19, 19, 19, what should you add to get the next number?
You'll add 1.
No. You want time to think?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you didn't get it. I'll help you. Lakshanya, you have the answer already?
Yes.
Lakshanya or Nevan, you can explain.
Can I say it?
Yeah, go ahead.
The answer is 1,539.
Good job. You added a 19 to it.
19.
Why? Because
Because
80
it's the
times you
next
added, you got
number.
this. 81 times if you had 19, you have to add one more 19 to it. Now, how about from here to here? Nevan, can you explain? Nevan, 21 times 80 is 1680. 21 times 81 is what number should I add to get 21 times 81? See, 20, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. Like this, I added 80 times. Okay.
Something's blurring in
I
my
got
corner.
1680. Now, I want to do the same thing. 21 plus 21 plus 21 plus, but this time I want to add 81 times. So what number should I add to this number to get the next number? What number should I add? Okay, whoever. Akshara, do you have the answer? Bihan has the answer, looks like.
Yeah. We add another 21.
Exactly. So what will be the answer?
1,701.
Good job. Do you guys get it? This is an easy way where you can play with numbers. Okay, now let's say I've been given 14 times 14 is 196. What is 14 times 15? Who can tell me? What number do you need to add?
14.
14. Yes, so that would be 200. Let's try this one. 50 times 50. 50 times 50 is 2500. You all know, right? You know this short multiplication.
Wait, 196 plus 14.
Okay, I'm sorry.
is
Yeah,
not
yeah. 210. I'm sorry. Let me go back and correct it. Good job, Arnav. So here it should have been a 210. Good catch, Arnav. I appreciate it. As soon as I did that, I could catch it too. Now let's see this one. How about, what did I do? I forgot what I did. Okay, 50 times 50 is 2500. Okay, what is 51 times 50? What number I need to add, guys?
2550.
2550. So he added another 50. See, 50 was repeated 50 times. Now 50 should be repeated 51 times, means I should add one more 50. How about this? Akshara, are you following, Akshara?
Yeah.
Okay. Now 23 times 24.
You can just do the 23 square like how you taught us, and then just add another 23. Or you could just do,
okay?
or you
Now,
could just do the
what do
same
you
thing
do?
with
23 times
24.
25. What number should I add, guys, to 556?
So you should,
Yes, Neil.
You should add 23.
Good
I just
job.
usually do it by just skip counting and starting from 500 usually because it's easy to solve questions with times 25.
I completely agree. Can we move on?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have another question to you guys. I'm going to make it complicated. Okay. 50, 51, 52. Okay. Now 35, 40, 45 I have. Okay. I'm going to ask you only two questions here. Okay. That will tell me how many of you understood, how many of you did not. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you that this one is 2000. Okay. I just need to know what should come here. What number should I add to 2000? What number should I add to 2000? It's a little tricky. You have to understand what is tricky about
You want
it.
to in chat?
Yes. What number should I add to 2000 to get the question mark? It's an interesting question. What number should I add?
Enter in chat.
Priya.
That's better, Neil. You corrected it. Good job. Yuvati. Good job, Yuvati. Akshara, what number you have to add to 2000 to get my question mark?
Yes, yeah.
Arnav, please, I'm waiting for your answer. Akshara, correct ma. Samhit, correct.
Wait,
Ritu, I'm waiting for your answer.
wait, what's the question again? I forgot.
You have to really be focused, Arnav, because that's why I don't sometimes write the question on the board. I asked you, if I write the question, you'll reread it, and the focus comes only when you're listening to what I'm saying. What number? This is what I asked you. Okay, let me write it down now. Should be added to 2000, okay, to get the question mark. That's what I asked. Vihan, did you get that?
Yes.
I didn't see your answer. Vihan, no, Vihan. Somewhere you made a mistake. I think you understood the concept, if I'm right. How did you calculate that? Can we think out loud, both of us?
Um,
Think out loud, no problem at all. Go ahead.
I calculated it because 40 times 50 is 2000.
Yeah.
I then added another I did 40. I added a number 40 times 5.
Correct. Yeah. Uh, why did you do 40 times 5? See, 50 was repeated 40 times. 50 now needs to be repeated 45 times. So what should you do? See, 50 was repeated 40 times. Okay. So that gave me 2000, I said. Now, 50 has to be repeated 45 times. That means another 550s are going to be added, right, Vihan?
Yeah.
So how much will be added?
So it'll be 250. I mean 200 and 2250.
Correct, correct. No. Your answer was correct. What number should be added is a 250. Correct.
Yeah,
Okay, good job, guys. If you're all good with this, I think it's too much. We have discussed a
Just
lot.
saying I
Yes,
answered.
Priya.
Yama?
I have a question about in our school what they usually do. Like we're doing decimals in our class, but when we do it, instead of saying, for example, if it's 5.25, instead of saying 5.25, they're saying 5 and 25 hundredths.
Correct.
And that's confusing because it's different, confusing when I say say it differently. It's confusing.
True. But we are not going to discuss decimals right now, Ma. We are going to go in depth into something else. School, you're all learning from school. You're all too smart and you're learning whatever you learn in school. We'll keep going. But at the same time, we'll go in depth here. Things that you're not learning in school will also come up and that will sharpen you better. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so now 22 times 88 times 97 ends with what digit? Ends with what digit? What is the units digit when you multiply these together? Who can tell me?
2.
Just the units digit. See, suppose if you multiply 46 and 26, what will be the units digit? It is determined by the units digit of the numbers given. Yes, Lakshanya, what is the units digit?
7.
How did you get 7?
I know.
How did you get 7? Go ahead. Go ahead. How did you get 7, Ma?
I just did. No, I made a mistake.
And no problem. How did you calculate? You tell me. No problem in making a mistake. You know this in this class. Go ahead.
I accidentally added all of them.
You added. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Meera, go ahead.
I think it's 2.
Good job. How did you get that?
Because 2 times 8 is 16, and then I just took the 6, and then when it's multiplied by the 7, it gives you 42. So I just...
Good job. That is how you calculate the units digit. Very nice. How about this? Okay, I am going to take, okay, I have discussed with you factors and multiples nicely, okay? I'm going to take 5 consecutive whole number. 5 consecutive whole numbers. Okay.
Will we say it like consecutive?
What is meant by consecutive? You tell me before we move on. What is meant by consecutive? What is meant by consecutive?
Wait, I'm thinking like it's like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like in chronological order.
Good job. In order, in increasing order. See, consecutive means 4 and 5 are consecutive. 7 and 8 are
I
consecutive.
played this card game and it like told us like to like do it and like do like these things in consecutive order.
Yeah.
And whoever does it first wins or something.
Good job. So here 4 and 8 are not consecutive. 4 and 5 are consecutive. If I sit next to each other, then they are consecutive. It's important to know all these definitions, guys. Okay, somewhere, someday you will come across this and you won't know what it is. Yes, ma?
I kind of didn't understand the consecutive number.
Next numbers are consecutive numbers. 5 and 6 are consecutive. 9 and 10 are consecutive. Did you get that?
1,411 and 1,412.
Yeah, 1011 and 1012 are consecutive.
I said 1,114 and 1,115.
Wonderful, Arnav. I'm going to take 5 consecutive whole numbers. Okay. This is a little bit of a thought from you. Okay. You have to try out. You have to figure out things. What is the units digit of the product? What is the units digit of the product? A little bit of thought. Who gets it right? I'm going to see. Let's see, guys. Not a hard one. And I also want to go over some multiplication. Go ahead. Units digit questions will be a lot in the homework this week. Go ahead and try. I want to go over big multiplication. Let's see.
Did you understand?
I'm going to see who's going to get it. It's a little tricky, but I want you to figure out. You can figure out. It's not hard. It's not a hard question at all. Yes, good job, Neil.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
what are the consecutive numbers?
Consecutive numbers are C. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are consecutive.
What are the 5 consecutive numbers?
5 consecutive numbers means pick 5 of them.
Oh.
Pick any 5. Not ones that I'm saying. You can pick any 5. You can pick 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. Or you can pick 99, 100, 101, 102, 103. Or you can pick, I said consecutive whole numbers. That means, what does it mean? What are whole numbers? See, counting numbers means it starts with 1. Counting numbers means it starts with a 1. It doesn't include 0. If they say whole numbers, see this one I have not taught you at all. It can start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be anything. Now counting numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is not included because you can't count with 0. But whole numbers will include the 0. You have to remember that. Tomorrow after a month I'll come and ask you on that. Counting numbers and whole numbers are 2 different types of numbers. Counting numbers start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole numbers start from 0. Go ahead. I'm waiting for somebody's answer. I got only one answer. That was right.
I got my answer.
Yuvati, think about, did you think about if I pick out numbers like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, will it still be 0?
I sent my answer.
Meera, do you think if I pick out 111, 12, 13, 14, 15, what do you think, Meera? Rutu correct actually.
Am I correct?
Samhit
Miss
correct.
Priya,
Am I correct?
I I kind of don't understand it because, like, if I do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would be the ending number would be 0. But if I do another another number like 11, 12, 13, 14, 50, another number set of 5 numbers, it might be different. So
No, it won't be different. I'm asking you only for the units digit. See.
Oh, like all the units digits.
Units digit. Only 5 numbers I'm going to pick, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or I can pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I can pick what to say. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, right? I can pick any 5 numbers. Now let's see, guys. Here when you multiply all of this, you're going to end up with a 0 because there is a 0. Here, whenever you have a combination, see 5 and 2's make a big thing. 5 and 2's are our friends in mathematics. See, whenever there is a combination of 5 and 2 in the prime factors, definitely it'll end with a 0. There is one pair of 5 and 2. So, when you multiply all of them, it is going to end with a 0. Similarly, in 102, you have a 2 in it. When you write out the prime factors, which I already taught you. So, here you have 2 in it. And then see, there is a 5 in this. So, whatever 5 numbers you take, you're going to have a combination of 5 and 2, and the units digit is going to be 0. You all get it?
So the answer is 0?
Yes. Now, guys, I really want to understand, do you know how to do this one?
Miss Priya.
Yes.
So did I get the last one correct?
I'm going to move on. You know whether you got it right or not. I already told you the answer. So why don't you think whether you got it right? Now I'm going to move on. 123 times 153. What is it? Avika and JP. It's very hard, Amma. You cannot come with a name JP. You should have your name when you log in. So, Avika, your class has not started. You're going to wait. I'm wrapping up the previous class. 123 times 153. How are we going to do it using standard algorithm? Please, you're going to help me, not do it on the paper. No, 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 no. You're going to help me now. Let's try. Vihan, you want to help me? Or Nevan, you want to help me? Who wants to help me?
Can I help?
Yeah.
So first you do 123 times 3.
So what happens?
And then you get the answer.
Then I'm going to multiply it with a 50, right?
Yeah, and add a 0 at the end.
Now you will multiply with a
5.
So
then you get that answer.
5 2s are 10, 11, then carry a 1, 5 1s are 5, 6. Then what should I do with this 100? I'm going to multiply with 100.
Add 2 zeros at the end.
This is what is important. Last number when I'm multiplying with 100. So put down those 2 zeros without fail.
And then do 123 times 1, which is 123.
Yeah. Now you add everything. You got it?
Yeah.
Vihan, did you follow this?
Yeah.
So when you multiply with a 50, you add 1 0. Then the last one, when you multiply with 100, you put 2 zeros and then multiply with a 1. Are all of you comfortable with this?
Yeah.
Okay. So how about I stop here? Next week, you know what are we going to learn? I want you to be thorough with more multiplication. Okay, more multiplication, more complex multiplication. We are going to solve some puzzles. Okay, and we'll also do some cryptorhythms on multiplication. And then I will go to exponents and bases. Exponents and bases, which will involve
My teacher
finding
said
what
that
is
we
2
would be
power of
learning that in
4, 2
6th
power of
grade.
5, 3 power of 2. All this we'll do. Okay. So this is what is for next week. Okay, guys. Any questions for me?
No.
No.
Okay, I can stop here. The homework would be, I will try to finish up the test. I'll try finishing, writing up the test for you, whatever is covered till date. I will try to set up a timer as well on the form. You can take it anytime, but it will be timed, okay? And then, yeah, the homework would be from the book for this week, okay? Okay, guys. See you all next week. Thanks for all your hearts. I really love
Love
it.
you later.
Yes. Bye, guys. See you all next week. Have a good week ahead.
Thank
Yeah, Ma. Bye, Ma. Vihan, I'll talk to your mom.
See you
Okay.
next week.
A little later.
Okay.
Bye.
Make sense,
Thank
Ma?
you.
Make sense, Vihan?
Yeah.
Okay. So, since I have class now, I'll talk to her a little later.
Okay.
Okay, Vihan. I
Bye.
hope you learned something. Did you learn something?
Oh yeah.
Good. Nice. Nice to know.
Yeah.
And you were very
Bye.
interactive too. Good job. Keep doing that.
Yeah.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.